Na-diagnose na ako ng diabetes. Mukhang maintenance na talaga ako habang buhay. Yan ang parating naririnig ko sa mga tao ngayon. But what if I told you your diabetes did not start today? Hi, I'm Dr. Pinky Intal, a preventive and lifestyle medicine specialist. When someone is diagnosed with diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, or even cancer, it often feels so sudden. Parang isang araw may sakit ka na. But in many cases, those conditions have been developing quietly for years. That's why I choose preventive and lifestyle medicine. Because my passion is helping people understand that the small choices we make every single day, how we move, how we sleep, how we manage stress, the food that we eat, and yes, even the quality of the water that we drink matters. Hindi man natin kayang baguhin ang nakaraan, pero may magagawa tayo simula ngayon. Because prevention doesn't start after diagnosis. It starts with the choices we make today. So today, I want you to choose one healthy habit your future self will thank you for. Take charge of your health. I'm Dr. Pinky Intal, helping you achieve true health, true wealth, and true freedom.